So we will use MRT from Carideo station to Baclaran station, and from Baclaran station we go to Intramuras. So first time I will go to MRT in Manila. Yes, to Baclaran station this way. LRT1. LRT1. Ticket, Shaira. To Baclaran this way, yes? Okay. 20 peso. Baclaran. So many people here.
Next stop Central Terminal po. Next stop Central Terminal.
Central Terminal, but we're going to Baclaran. Yes? Station United Nations. We not need to Baclaran. We need United Nations. Only Baclaran direction. Baclaran direction, Shaira. It's not. This is okay. Correct station. Taft Avenue. So you pay more. It's 5 peso only ticket, 5 peso to this station, but you pay 20 peso. Yeah, it's okay. Also horse here. No, thank you. Afraid. No, thank you. It's park entrance. So many people in the park. Let's go inside. Luneta Park entrance.
Sa likod ng Jollibee yung daanan niyo. Ay ma'am, yung vape po yan ma'am. Ma'am, bawal po yung vape sa loob.
Sorry.
Park Luneta. Luneta Park. Luneta Park. Hot today, hot. Yes.
Brother Philippines po.
Philippines. Yeah.
Ayan po, palike lang po and follow Brother Philippines Facebook page.
Ah, brother. I know. Where, Shaira? I don't know where.
Dito, ubos ang ano.
Brother. Good weather. Wind little bit windy. And not so hot.
Hot only.
Only hot. Now not so hot. It's lapu-lapu.
Would depend.
It's good place for jogging also here in the park. Who live nearby? TikTok, Instagram, Shaira. Okay. Yes, it's park. So many people in the park right now. Maybe night time it's good here, good looking. Lamp for children play.